It starts where the desert ends, where silence turns into the sound of life.
The Red Sea opens like a secret doorway, a living city carved by time.
Every tower breathes, every color feels alive, a skyline built by nature's hands. This city moves with rhythm, every heartbeat synchronized with the sea. Deep within lies a temple of stone and coral, where history and nature merge.
Even what sank long ago now breathes again, reborn under coral hands.
In these coral streets, even the tiniest lives move with purpose, a microcosm more intricate than any city we've built. Here, light itself comes alive, painting stories on every ripple, every fin, every breath. As I rise back to the surface, I realize the Red Sea didn't just show me its world, it showed me mine.